The Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague ruled that it has jurisdiction over the case filed by the Philippines against China. Nel Maribojoc tells us why.
The arbitration tribunal, composed of 5 judges, reached a unanimous decision that ruled it had jurisdiction to hear the case presented by the Philippines. This is the ruling of the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague, Netherlands, in relation with the case filed by the Philippines against China regarding territorial dispute in the West Philippine Sea. Because of this, court hearings will continue for the cases, including China's 9-line claim being questioned by the Philippines. This is despite China's statement that Beijing will not participate in the arbitration. According to Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Liu Shenmin, China does not recognize the case filed by the Philippines and insists that it is not the way to resolve the issue. According to the tribunal, China's continuous refusal will not affect its jurisdiction of the case to join the discussion based on the provisions stated in Annex 7 of the Convention. The tribunal also said that the Philippines resorting to a case is not an abuse of the UNCLOS even if China refuses. The tribunal shall resolve 7 of the 15 claims of the Philippines. This includes resolving the issue of maritime entitlements of Scarborough Shoal, Mischief Reef, Second Thomas Shoal, Subi Reef, Gaven Reef, McKinnon Reef, and others. Even the issue of China's obstruction of Filipino fishermen will be discussed in the tribunal. Meanwhile, the arbitration court ordered the Philippines to clarify and give full details of its request to cease China from its illegal activities in the West Philippine Sea. The Department of Foreign Affairs accepted this decision of the tribunal. According to Solicitor General Florin Hilbay, the tribunals favoring the Philippines is an important step to resolve the issue in a peaceful manner. Malacanang is pleased with the decision as well and makes sure to make the necessary preparations for the coming hearings.
We welcome the decision of the Arbitral Tribunal on jurisdiction, allowing the Philippines to present its claims on the merits.
As for the Department of National Defense, this is a good development for the country's maritime dispute in the West Philippine Sea.
It's a very good development, no? Hindi lang para sa Pilipinas pero pati sa mga ibang bansa sa international regime na naniniwala sa UNCLOS.
Meanwhile, the military troops are still patrolling around the territorial claims of the Philippines in the West Philippine Sea. At present, there are no schedules yet as to when the hearings for the merit of the case will be. The arbitration court expects to release a ruling about the merits and other remaining jurisdictional issues in the year 2016. Nel Maribojoc, reporting for Y News.